Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to open up files and items with double clicking as opposed to single clicking on your Windows 10 device. So perhaps something's been changed and now you only have to click on items one time to open them up. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set it back to double clicking. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, search for File Explorer Options. Best result should come back with File Explorer Options. Go ahead and open that up. And then underneath General, go down to where it says Click Items as follows, and select where it says Double Click to open an item, single click to select, and then select Apply and OK to save that. And that's what you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.